Okay, gentlemen, got the horse there and put the new carb on and got it mounted up correctly. I think it's gonna fire up, so let's give it a shot. Choke on. So, it moved. First thing I noticed was the clutch seems to be slipping pretty badly, so, that kind of sucks. So I have to put a new clutch on at some point. Let me see if I can go on a quick ride. Whoa! Okay, that is that, guys. I got it running. All it needed was a new top end, I guess, and carburetor. Gonna have to put a clutch on it because the one on there is like burnt, slap out almost. Can't get it above second gear because it just starts to slip. It won't go anywhere. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. It's been a couple weeks in the making about. Honda CM400 still kicking it. This thing has been a headache, but I finally got it to where it fires up just about every time, and it hasn't left me stranded in a couple weeks. So yeah, that is the ke100. Stay tuned for another video. We'll try to clean it up a bit, give it some fresh paint, and clean up the shocks and stuff. Peace.